You virtual background.
Participant Golden Sparrow is the host now.
Yeah, it's not that. From now what is written? Choose virtual background and video
Hi.
settings.
Yes.
Good
And
morning.
then
What?
Hello, Malika ma'am. They are busy in
Ma'am,
their
yes,
work. Yeah, good morning. They will not even
video
listen to us.
settings.
And
Click on choose video
it's so
filter.
nice that they are not scared of the teacher also.
Yes, that is very nice. Ma'am.
Okay. Musfira? Musfira,
Video
can I
settings.
stop your screen, Musfira?
It is my screen.
Who is that? Khatija. Hello, Manha. How are you, Manha? Ali, now we can only see your eyes. Ali. Ha, yes, now I can see you. Hello, Musfira. How are you?
Sitting in the chair.
This is your favorite subject, right, Musfira? Maths? Yes, you would be very happy. Who is she in Malika ma'am's class? I think so. She is going to teach us today.
Ma'am, then I'll go with Malika ma'am.
Everybody.
What you said, Vidhi ma'am? I didn't hear.
I'll go with Malika ma'am's class today.
Ah,
No.
just look at Musfira. Just look at Musfira. Okay. Should I start my breakout rooms?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, chalo. Bye.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, y'all don't go away. Otherwise, they will tell me bye and they will move off.
Bye.
Bye. Chalo, go out.
Okay. Yay! Khatija is with me. Umar is with me. Ali is with me. Yay, Umar, you are with me. Today I'm going to teach you. Umar. Umar, can you hear me, Umar?
Yes.
Yes. So today I'm going to teach you maths. Okay, Umar? Why you didn't join the breakout room? Not okay. You should say, no, ma'am, you can't teach me maths. You are a science teacher. You should only teach science. Yes, Umar?
Yes.
Okay. I'll put you in Malika ma'am's class. Just give me a minute. Just accept it, okay? When I'll put you in Malika ma'am's class, just accept it. Room number 2. Okay. Done.
You're looking like a hero, not a heroine, you're looking like a hero. And who else is there? Yeah, Khatija is there. Okay, so we'll start.
Is everyone there, ma'am? Is there anyone who is missing?
Then there were new 2 kids, right?
Amara is there. Amara is there. Muhammad Ali has not joined yet, I think so. So
Okay,
Amara
and
is already
Mariam?
here with you. Huh?
Mariam?
Mariam will not join. She will join pre-primary actually.
Okay.
So she will not join in this.
Okay.
Please.
Ma'am, I'm not able to share my screen.
Okay. Just give me a minute, Vidhi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I hope everybody is ready with a book and a pencil. You know, you need to write it. So you have to. Very good, very good, very good, Amara.
Ma'am, spiral book.
Spiral book. I love that. Yes. Okay.
Now Vidhi ma'am, you'll be able to share the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Mohammed, good morning.
Ma'am, today I have put Mohammed in your class, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, not an issue.
Okay. Yeah.
And ma'am, what about Umaima? Is Umaima present?
I'll just check. Ma'am. Yes, I'll just
Yeah, I'll just wait
assign
for a minute or two and I'll start, ma'am.
Yeah, she'll be joining in. Mohammed, just one thing. Can you subtract and add very well? Mohammed, I can't hear you. You are muted. Because last time I saw you, you were doing it really well. So I have put you, Malika ma'am. Subtraction. Can you subtract? Means
I can plus and minus both.
okay, very nice, Mohammed. So I think so you'll be able to do well in Malika ma'am's class. Okay, Mohammed? Chalo. All the best.
Okay, Umaima is also here, ma'am. I'll start.
Mustafa,
Hi, Umaima. Good
Malika
morning.
ma'am, just a minute. Mustafa, I'm very angry with you. You know why? I heard you saying, no, I want Dawood uncle. I'm really very angry with you. I'll see you in science class. Chalo, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Just Malika ma'am, just check whether you are able to share your screen or not. Then I
Yes,
will.
ma'am, I'll do that. 1 minute. Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yeah, okay. Then it's fine.
Okay, Umaima, can you please turn your screen on? Okay, thank you very much, Umaima. So everybody, good morning.
Good
morning.
Good morning. Good
One night
morning.
morning, one night feeling sleepy. Okay, today we'll do something new. I'm tired of doing this subtraction every day. You are also tired, no? Every day subtraction. We'll do subtraction after some days again, okay? So today we'll do something new. Let me see what I have with me so that I can share with you, okay? But please do not turn your screen off. I want to see all of y'all. When I see all of y'all, I become very happy. See this Mustafa, how he is making his eyes so big. When I see y'all, I like very much to teach. When y'all are not there, I become very bored, you know. Okay, wow, what is this?
Windows.
Windows. You know yes. Whose windows are these? You know that? How many windows you all have in your house, Mustafa? How much windows you have?
I have 4.
Wow, you have
Then
4.
count.
And Mustafa, how much windows you have?
7, 8, 9. I'm counting. 14,
Okay, Manha.
15, 16.
Where is Umar?
16.
Umar, turn your screen on, please.
Thing, and you have to you know, when the amount you have initially. I had 7 toys initially. Okay, initially I had 7 toys. So 7 is a minuend, and I took 2 toys out of it. So 2 is a supprehend. Okay, the initial number is minuend, and the number which is subtracted, you know, number is called the supprehend. And the
Got it, ma'am. Got it.
okay, and the answer you get is called difference.
Yes.
So you have to write the minuend first, and then you need to write the subtraction, supprehend, and then you'll get the answer which we call as difference. Okay,
I know how to do, ma'am.
very good. So we have six bowling games here. You know, I hit 3 of them, and 3 are left. So very good. So what is the supprehend? Tell me the supprehend.
3.
But can you tell me? Yes, Ali, I can't hear you. You are muted. Ali, you are muted.
Answer is 3.
3. Subtrahend is the 3.
Okay, and what is the minuend?
Subtrahend is the 6.
And what is the difference? What is the difference?
Is the 3.
Very good. Very good. And see, how many balls did I had initially?
6. 7.
7. And
6.
6 is the answer. 6 is the answer. But how will you write it? I'll write 7 as a minuend.
minus 1.
1 is equals to 6. Okay. Now you'll start doing these sums.
Okay.
You have to write in your book. You don't need to draw anything. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, I can draw.
No, you cannot draw. Please don't draw, because you know what? What happens? Then you'll waste time. We have too many worksheets. See, we have so many worksheets to do. So I want
Okay.
okay, and we'll do it very quickly. Khatija, you know what we did? We did, when I say 5 minus 3, 5 is the minuend.
2. It's equals to 2.
Yes, but 5 is the minuend, 3 is the supprehend, and 2 is the difference. 5 is called as a minuend. Okay, I'll show it to you once again. When I say 7 minus 2, 7 is the minuend, 2 is the supprehend, and 5 is the difference. Khadija, is that clear?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Okay, this is the screen, and you have to do it very quickly, okay? Amara, can you tell me the first answer? 5 minus 3?
Okay, ma'am. 5 balls with minus 3. There are 2 balls.
Very good. So write in your book 5 minus 3 is equals to 2.
I write 2.
No, you have to write 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Okay?
Ma'am, can't hear you.
You have to write 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. You have to write the question also and the answer also. Okay? You have to write question and answer together.
I'm writing question and answer, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Wait,
Muspira Sayyed, can you tell me the second answer?
2 draws.
Muspira Sayyed, can you tell me the second answer?
7 balls. Cut
1. Very good. Zainab, can you tell me the third answer?
1.
Third one, 4 minus 2.
2.
I'm asking from Zainab. I don't want anyone to prompt in between. You know, I'll give everyone a chance to answer. Zainab, can you tell me the fourth question? 4, 6 minus 1.
2.
Yeah, but what is 6 minus 1? Zainab, 6 minus 1.
6 minus 1 is 5.
5. Great. Very good. Muspira Rizwani, what is 9 minus 5?
1 and I'm doing.
You're doing? Okay, do it quickly.
Ma'am, I'm done.
You're done?
4. Ma'am, 4.
Very good. So I hope everybody is doing all the sums.
Ma'am, my turn.
Okay, I'll go on the next worksheet. Read the next worksheet.
Ma'am, before this. I'm done.
Okay. So So how will you do this sums now? Can you tell me
Ma'am,
how?
I'm done. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. So the next worksheet.
No, ma'am.
Anybody? I
I
hope
didn't.
everybody. Okay, come on, do it fast. I'm waiting.
We have learned.
I have done. I have done.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am only in the last.
Sorry.
Share me that screen.
9 minus 5.
9 minus 5. Share me that screen. I didn't know the answer.
You don't have to tell the answers, okay? You can't do that. Let us
I
calculate.
am changing. I have written.
Ma'am, I finished. Look.
Great, great. We'll discuss the answers later. How will you do this? 10 minus 7. Ali, what's the answer for 10 minus 7?
You said 10 minus 7.
Yes.
71.
10 minus 7 is the answer 3.
It's 3. Okay, Zainab, what is your answer? 10 minus 7?
It is.
I'm waiting. You can calculate it. I'm waiting for the answer. Okay? You don't have to hate.
Ma'am, my answer is 4.
Your answer is 4. Okay, great. Khadija, what is your answer? 10 minus 7?
10
Khadija?
minus 7.
Yes.
3.
And how did you
3.
get this? How did you get this?
3.
So, how did you calculate? How did you get this answer 3? Can you help me with this?
Because
How did
I
you do?
wrote
Hmm?
because 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So I did 10 minus 7 equals to 3.
Okay, that's a great idea. You know, I love that. Okay, I'll tell you how do I calculate. You know, I'll keep the smaller number in the mind, which is a smaller number.
I know. The 7.
Okay, Zainab, tell me.
We are gonna keep a smaller number in the mind, and then we are gonna count from the bigger number. Like
Okay.
it's 6 plus 1, minus 1. So 7, 8.
You don't have to count 7. You don't have to count 7. You have to start from the other number. 8.
8, then 9, 11.
You have to just go till 10. You know what I do? You know, I keep the smaller number in my mind and I go forward. You know, till I get 10. Okay, so I'll keep 7 in my mind. I'll go 8, 9, and 10. So how many steps did I go forward? 3 steps. So what is my answer? The answer is three. Okay. Amara, can you help me with the second question? 3 minus 6.
5
to keep.
6, 7,
You don't have to count
8,
6.
9.
Amara, just a second. Amara, you don't have to count 6. You don't have to count 6. Okay. You have to start with the next number. 7. Okay.
7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
So the answer is
10.
10. Very good. Musfira Sayyed, can you help me with the second exam? Musfira.
Tables. So we will be very thorough with our multiplication. And because now this is there, what happened, you know, how we had Mr. Minus with us. So today we have
Mr. Plus.
he says that I am Mr. Multiplication and y'all will require me when y'all do multiplication. See how he's smiling, yes, no? And what he says,
Addition is my best friend. And the orange?
the orange one is Mr. Addition. He says I am Mr. Multiplication's best friend.
It's
Because, yeah, Mr.
multiplication.
Yes, that because my friend Addition, no, again and again and again, he has to keep adding all the numbers. So I solve his problem. I try to make his problem little easier. So what he does, that is why.
Ma'am, multiplication nickname is multiply.
And into the cross sign, which is also known as multiplication. Sometimes we can also call it as multiply, or that cross sign is also known as into. Okay. So I just told you all that repeat as we saw here, like again and again on the 3 windows, we have 2 birds each sitting on 3 windows. So 2 is the number which is common here and it is added 3 times. So instead of adding that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus again and again and again, it takes a lot of time. Yes, Mohammed, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So instead, can you please turn your screen on, dear? Thank you. So instead of writing that 2 again and again, 2 plus 2 plus 2, so they came up with a new thing, with an easier thing, so that our work is also easy.
2 plus 4 equals 6.
Yes, 2, 3 are 6. Very good, Mohammed. So what is this? Known as multiplication, and now we will start doing multiplication from today. Okay. You all are thorough with addition and subtraction, right?
Yes.
Yes. So now we will start doing multiplication. And you know why? Because we have to keep adding the numbers again and again and again and again and again. That is why multiplication makes our work a little easier and faster as well. So now this comes the first table of 2. Any number which is multiplied by 1, any number which is multiplied by 1 is its number itself. For example, here, can you all see here? 2 into 1, or I can say 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to how much? Yes, Manha?
2 to 3, 4 to 3, 6 to 4, 2 5, 10 to 6,
Yes, I'm asking you all any number which is multiplied by itself. By itself, that means, or by 1 is that number itself. Now here we have an example of 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2. For example, if I have 5 multiplied by 1, what will be the answer?
5.
5.
10.
If I have, yes, Mohammed. If I have 7 multiplied by 1, what will be the answer, Umar?
7.
7. So any number, always remember this. If any number is multiplied by 1, is its number itself. Now next is 2 are 4. That is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. We just saw that what is 2 into 2 means? 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 2 added 2 times. Understood? 2 into 2 means 2 added 2 times. So if you add 2 added 2 times is how much?
2 to the 4.
Yes. So that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now 2 3s are 6. Yes, Umayma? Yes, that means here 2 is added 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. When you add 2 3 times, that is going to give you 6. So there, if you put it into the multiplication form, that becomes 2 into 3 that we just saw here. Yes or no? Here, there are 2 birds sitting on each window. So I have written, if I have to count the total number of birds, I have to add 2 3 times. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 is the number which is multiplied by itself. Yes or no? And how many times it is multiplied here? How many times it is multiplied here, Mohammed?
1.
3 times. Yes or no? So we will write it in a multiplication form that 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Now what do you mean by 2 multiplied by 4?
8.
Umayma, tell us what is 2 multiplied by 4?
4 plus 4.
Yes.
So means
Multiplied
that.
by 4 means? Yes.
Ma'am, can I say? I know.
Let Umayma try.
4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to count the 4 again.
Yes, no. So 2 into 4. Okay, let Mustafa try. Mustafa, tell us what does 2 into 4 mean?
We have to do 4 plus 4.
Okay, you have to add
4.
2 4 times. Now,
Yes.
because this is a table of 2 and
I
they have
tried
written
to
2 in.
tell that only, ma'am. But I didn't understand.
Okay, I'm so sorry, Umayma. Maybe I. So into 4 is written, that means 2 is added 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And instead of writing that length, multiplication form of that is 2 multiplied by 4, which gives you the answer. What is the answer? 8. Okay, now 2 multiplied by 5, that means 2 is added here 5 times. So the short form is, instead of writing that 2 plus 2 plus 2 5 times, you can directly write 2 multiplied by 5, which gives you the answer 10, and so on. Any confusion? Anybody didn't understand anything till now? Where is Manha? Manha, did you understand?
Yes.
Umayma, did you understand properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed, do you have any doubt? Did you understand? Okay, Mohammed is giving me a smiley, okay? Oh no, this is not a smiley. What is this? Mohammed, can you please unmute yourself, Mohammed? I want to hear you. Okay, I'll come back to Mohammed.
Teacher, I didn't understand anything.
You didn't understand anything. Okay, wait. I'll just come back to you. Mustafa, did you understand?
Yes. I understand.
And Umar, where is Umar? Okay, Mohammed. Now we'll come back to this first slide again, okay? Now only Mohammed will answer, okay? Others just pay attention, please. Mohammed, how many windows are here?
3.
Okay. And on each window, how many birds are there?
2.
So if I have to count, how many birds are there all together, the total number of birds? So what will I do, Mohammed?
It's 6. The total number was 6.
Okay, that is very nice. How did you get 6, Mohammed?
Because I add 2 plus 2 plus 2.
Very good. So you did that 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times did you add 2?
3.
Very good. You added 2 3 times. So instead of that addition, no, Mohammed, what have we done? Okay, Umaima, can you please? Thank you. Okay, so instead of adding that 2 3 times, I have written multiplied 2 multiplied by 3. Is it easy?
So it will become 4 plus 2.
No, dear. You told you added 2 3 times, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the 2 is the number which is multiplied by itself or added by itself. Correct?
So you 15 minus 13. So 13 in the mind, 14 and 15. So how many steps did you go forward?
2, ma'am. 2.
So 2 is the answer, not 3. Musfira Sayyad, one more sum for you. 12 minus 6.
What? Wait,
12 minus 6. This one. 12 minus 6.
I will solve it.
You have to go forward. You don't have to count 6, okay? You have to keep 6 in the mind and you have to go forward.
9, 10, 11, 12. You hundred exams. 10, 8, 9, 5,
Amara, you have to solve all the sums, okay?
10. Ma'am, I got it the answer 12 minus 6.
I want to hear from Musfira Sayyad. Musfira Sayyad,
This
I'm
is
waiting
all
for
sums what, ma'am? I'm not
Amara, you have to do all the sums, Amara.
You can see my cursor. This all sums.
Yes, you have to solve all these. I want you to send a pic on Classroom, okay? Google Classroom. You do your sums, and I want the pic, the pic of the work on Google Classroom. I'll check it out. How do you do this? Okay, everybody. You have to post it on Google Classroom. Amara, the next sum is for you, Amara.
You can put it in the disk.
Yes, you have to put it in the Google Classroom. You have to post it there. Okay, Amara, the next sum is for you. 19 minus 11.
Where,
Amara,
ma'am? Okay, I got it, ma'am.
okay, you got it.
Okay.
19 minus 11.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The answer is 8, ma'am.
Very good. The answer is 8.
12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Zena,
17,
the next question is for you. 13 minus 13. I have 13 chocolates and I gave all the 13 chocolates to you. So how many are left with?
0.
Zena, what's the answer?
What? Which one?
13 minus 13.
0.
Very good. So Amara, give me the first. Give me the answer first. But very good, Zena. It was very quick. Okay. So 20 minus 13. Musfira Rizwani, 20 minus 13.
1 minute, ma'am. I don't do that.
Okay. I'll wait for you.
19 minus 11.
I'll wait for you. Khatija, I hope you're doing all the sums. You're writing it in your book.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can't write so much.
Can't write so much. You have to write,
I've only write this much.
Wait, I can't. Wait, I can't see you. Okay, very good, Zainab. Very good.
It's actually a bit hard.
But you have to start practicing, You have to
Excuse
write a
me,
lot.
ma'am.
Yes.
I can't hear you.
You can't. You can hear me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now which sum we have to do?
You have to do all the sums. You have to do all the sums. I'm waiting for the
Finish
answer.
all?
Yes, you need to do all the sums.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm waiting for the answer. Musfira Rizwani, I'm waiting for the answer. Now I have one more worksheet to do. Where is Musfira Rizwani? What happened? Where are you? She left?
Maybe there is a network issue.
Issue, yes. Ali, can you solve this sum? 20 minus 13?
16,
Ali,
17, 18, 19, 20.
Ali, this sum? Ali, can you give me the answer for 20 minus 13? Ali, are you,
Knowing the answer.
okay? Start calculating. I'm waiting for you, but give me the answer, okay? Ali, how do you calculate it? I'll keep 13 in my mind. I'll go 14, 15, 16. Yes.
Answer is
The answer is
12. Answer is
Can't write so much.
see, Ali, you have to keep 13 in mind. Come on, unmute yourself. Keep 13 in mind. Okay, keep 13 in mind and go forward. Start counting forward. 14.
word.
You have to keep 13 in mind. Okay, you have to keep the supprehend, the smaller number in mind, 13, and you have to go forward. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So how many steps did I go forward? 7 steps. The answer is 7.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have to do 7 more. Minus 11, you have write something else number. It's kind of, yes, this one.
Which one?
This one, ma'am. The 119 minus 11.
Yeah, that's 8. That's 8 actually. That's 8. Ali, Ali, can you tell Ali, can you do solve one more sum for me? 10 minus 2. Sorry? Ali, don't mute yourself. Come on, unmute yourself, Ali. Ali, yes. The answer is I
8.
got 8. Very good. Solve one more sum for me. The next sum.
9. 16 minus 10. 10.
Ma'am, which sum you are doing? Which sum here?
Ali, which sum you are doing? Ali,
Okay, look.
Minus 10. 10.
I am 10 2. Now which one?
Now
Ma'am,
you
I
have,
have 5 more sums.
okay. See, after 10 minus 2, you have to do 16 minus 10.
I
16
can't hear
minus-
you, ma'am.
Ali, what is the answer for 16 minus 10? Ali? Yes. 16
Show
minus.
me, ma'am.
Come on, keep the smaller number in mind. Ali, which is a smaller number? Ali, which is smaller number, 16 or 10? See, you don't have to count 6 again. You don't have to count 10 again. You have to start from 11. You have to keep 10 in the mind, but you have to start from 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is
5. 5.
no, answer is not 5. Answer is not 5. Muspira Sayyid, the answer is not 5.
It is 17.
It's 16. 16 minus 10. Come on, Ali, can I see your fingers? I cannot see your fingers. You have to, come on, raise your fingers. You have to keep 10 in mind. I want to see your fingers.
5,
Ali,
5.
it's not 5. Come on, start calculating. I want you to raise your fingers. Come on, yeah. So, 10 in mind. We'll start with 11. See, 11. Do like this, 11.
Doing
16 minus 10.
where? Ma'am, how about 15 minus 7? You have done that one.
No, I haven't done that. I was giving random numbers to Ali. I was giving random numbers to Ali. You have to solve all the sums. Ali, you have to keep 10 in mind. Come on, keep 10 in mind. Okay, we'll start with 11. 11. You have to just go till 16. You have to go till 16. You have to count till 16. 6. 6 is the answer. Very good.
Answer is the 6.
Yes. Ali, can you do one more sum for me? 11 minus 2.
Your,
11 minus 2.
your noise is not coming properly.
11 minus 2.
9. 11 minus 2.
Very good. Zainab, can you solve this sum? 13 minus 5. This one. Zainab. 13 minus 5.
9.
Zainab.
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8.
8. Zainab, what's your answer? Zainab, you're muted.
8.
8. And the correct answer. Very good.
Ma'am, what is the last sum?
Last
What's
sum.
the last?
The last sum is 10 minus 8. But we are solving, we will solve Musfira Rizwani. Can you tell me the answer for 12 minus 7? Twelve minus 5, Musfira Sayyed, Musfira Rizwani. Musfira Rizwani is not there. Musfira Sayyed, 12 minus 5.
I'm front of that question. I'll
You're
tell
trying-
you what answer. I'll
Yes.
tell you.
Yeah.
7.
Very good. It's 7. Can you annotate for me? Can you write 7? Khadija? Khadija, what's 15 minus 7?
15 minus 7.
Yes.
Where's 15 minus 7? Nah,
Eight.
I said 7.
Yes.
Oh, okay. 15 minus 7.
You have to annotate the
15
answer. Okay?
minus 7 is 4. 4.
7 is not 4. It's not 4.
I know the answer.
What's the What's the answer?
Ma'am, it's 9.
It's 9. It's not 9. It's not 9. Come on,
15
both of you. 15 minus 7.
7.
Khadija, what's the answer for 15 minus 7? Come on.
Okay.
You have to keep 7 in the mind. You have to keep 7 in the mind. Sorry?
3.
It's not 3.
3.
No, it's not 3. See, I'll keep 7 in my mind. I'll go forward. 8.
You are telling
15 minus 7.
minus
15 minus 7. Ali, this one.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yeah, what's the answer?
9.
The answer is 9.
Well done. It's actually jumbled. Ma'am.
Musfira Rizwani, where were you?
Just minus 7.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, no issues, Musfira Rizwani. The question for you is 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7. It's some.
Okay, answer 5.
No, the answer is not 5. Khadija, you can't do this to me. You know the answer. Come on. Come on, do it properly. You're so good in maths. You can't do this to me. Come on, Khadija. Calculate it very carefully. Keep 7 in
9
mind.
only. And
9?
it is the next.
Okay, I'll solve it for you. Okay, I'll keep 7 in my mind and I'll go forward. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers do you see? 8. So the answer is 8. You have
Question is 16 minus 16 minus 7.
Answered it wrong. I did the answer just now. That's
Amara.
Where is it?
yes, ma'am.
Amara solve this sum.
Okay, I'll solve this sum.
The last one, yeah. 17 minus 15.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the last sum of the day.
This is the last class, so there's one more class. Can I leave now? 16,
No,
17,
Khadija, you can't leave.
18, 9. What did you say, ma'am?
No, you can't leave the meeting now. You have to say me bye.
10, 11, 12, I have to what?
You have to say me goodbye, you know. You can't leave the meeting.
Goodbye,
like
ma'am.
that. No,
Oh, I
not the
mean
same.
choose.
First, I want the answer for 17.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm solving 17 minus 15.
yes. 17 minus 15. Amara, what's the answer? Amara.
Ma'am, 15 minus 7 is 8.
8. Very good. Amara, what is your answer, Amara?
Should I leave? 17
No.
Why?
We'll just wait for the answer. Amara's answer, then we'll leave. Amara, what's the answer? 17 minus 15?
60, 70, 80.
Oh, you have just go till 17. 16 and 17.
Answer 2.
Answer is 2. Very good. And now we can leave the meeting. But you have to greet me goodbye, you know. Come on. Goodbye.
Ma'am, you can put it in the Google Classroom because I don't write.
Your class is over. Umaima, your class is over.
Leave breakout room.
Khatija, you can leave the room now. You were
Okay.
first.
I was
You were-
wondering where you are in the main class.
Okay, you asked the first Vidhi ma'am that ma'am, can I leave? And now you are the last one to be in the room. Leave the room. Chalo, bye Khatija.
Bye.
Bye.
You are mute, Ali. You are mute.
Yes, what now I will do? I am in video settings.